guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the March Globein box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the March 2025 Globein Box Builder just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys have been watching my videos, I like to show you all of the different products that you get to choose from because there's three different categories, and each category you get to pick what is inside of your box. So you get to pick all of the items. So I'll start showing you all right here what is for category number 1. So between all of these items, you can choose one of them for your number 1 item in your box. Again, that's a great thing about Globin because you're choosing all 3 of the products. So great things for yourself, for gift ideas, or you could just skip it and keep the points for another box or for their add-on. So you do have flexibility when it comes to this box, and I absolutely love Globin. I tell you guys, they are literally in every single room inside my house, even outside of my house, through my kitchen, through outdoor, like literally there is so many things that I get from the comfort of my home. They do all the hard work and find all these amazing remote artisans from all around the world, and they bring their products directly to you at home, and I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and dive in. This time it was in like a little mailer bag with a box inside. So let's go ahead and get this opened, and then I can show you what I chose for number 1, and then we'll go over the second and then the third choice. They always take amazing care in like packaging everything as well. I've never had anything come damaged, and I've had a whole lot of glassware, shot glasses, wine glasses, big old pitchers, like everything, and nothing has ever came broken. So they definitely do package their stuff very, very well. And I really, really love when you guys look through it and try to think what I chose. And if you ever get anything right or wrong, whichever, let me know down below. I love to hear from you guys. So let's see if some of you were right and you chose correctly. I might have threw you through a curveball on this one. And I think only one thing I actually did get for a gift. So the other 2, I think I really did throw you off. Let's see. Let's see. Are you right? Dun, 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 dun. Did you guess a cutting board? I didn't know how big it was going to be. I didn't like measure the measurements. I figured it would be something kind of small, and that's what I was actually looking for. Something like this we can always use, like if people are over, I can put stuff on it, or I can use it as a chopping block, like, you know, cutting board. Sometimes I just want to do like a lime or a lemon, something small, and I like to have a smaller one, not busting out my big one, you know. And I like that it has a hook, so you can, or a hole, it's not a hook, you can hang it on a hook if you would like. That's the hook I was thinking of. I love the natural wood, so it's completely different on both sides. I love the way that looks with the different colors, but either way, it is a handmade teak wood cutting board from Guatemala. It is a 10-inch morning baguette is what it says. So yeah, you can use this for anything. Like I said, I just thought that'd be the perfect size. Plus you can use it as a hot plate. Like if I take something off the stove and it's hot, I always just set the pot like on like a little cutting board or a hot plate, so you can use it for that as well. This right here is valued for $43. I love how thick it is. It's not like a cheap, chintzy little cutting board. It's a nice thick one, handmade, and I absolutely love that. Again, it's the 10-inch, $43. So I'm gonna start showing you all of the different options for category number 2. This one, however, I almost, let me tell you, I almost chose a little hand carved multicolored wood figurine, and it was a radiant rooster. So if you see that on the side, you might have thought that one. If you did, I chose that first, but then I saw something else that I was like, wait a minute, I think I would like that. So that should be what is down inside of this one. Again, that's the great thing. You could always shop it thinking, what could I use for myself or what could I use for another? That's why sometimes if I see something that I know somebody would absolutely love, like cat themed, owl themes for some of my friends, I'll choose that so I can give it to them for their gift at the end of the year. But that's, like I said, that's a great thing in this box. I absolutely love everything that they have to offer, all of the things that they bring to us. And I love the handmade. Everything's just handmade. And I just love that. Like that's like a lost art, you know, you don't really see that anymore. Everything's done by factories and precision. And no, I love the little flaws, the little imperfections that make it unique. And that's why I love all of their glassware. So, oh, and here is a card. I don't know, was there a card in here that I missed? Yes. All of the items, you do get this little card and it goes over some more information about each item. This cutting board will make a simple yet wonderful addition to your kitchen. The 10-inch board is hand carved from a single piece of teak wood, displaying a rich natural grain. I love that. So the one for this is this one right here. And it's in here. I don't think you would have chose this for me. Did you think of this? I thought this looked cool because it had a big like opening. So like if I wanted to like dip in sauces or some liquid or something like that, I thought this would be a good spoon for that. So this one right here, handcrafted dark brown wood serving spoon. I just love that. Like I said, I just thought that would be cool to use to like dip in or like a serving spoon, anything like that. I love their wooden spoons. I have so many of them, but I don't have anything like this. And I love that dark brown. I love that. This is valued for $32. The dark brown wood creates an elegant and natural tone. The artisans choose woods native to the lowlands of Guatemala to create their work. But again, that's just amazing. Hand done. I love it. There's that. So these two things I chose for myself. I love the wood items, glass items, all of that. So I was so thrilled when I saw those pop up. So now everything for the third item will be right here. This is everything that you'd be able to choose for the last and final option. This is one that I actually did choose for a friend. So this probably wouldn't be something that you would think that I would choose unless you already are that good and you know what I'm gonna get her. I just thought this would be the perfect little addition to add to the owl theme that I'm doing for one of my friends. So this here is the bookmark. Let me get the little card out. This is made in Guatemala as well. So this time everything that I chose was all made in Guatemala. Handcrafted, recycled, teak-wise old theme bookmark, Wisdom of the Owl. Representing the learning that comes from reading, a wise little owl crowned this original design. It transforms a scrap piece of precious teak wood into a bookmark. Isn't that so neat though? So you have like this owl that's on top and then you just slide your page down like so, and then you hold your page and then this little beautiful owl is sticking up out of your book. Isn't that gorgeous? This is valued for $22. I love that. And I love that it's a different color on top of the lighter color to make it stand out and the detail in it. Isn't that so cool? Yeah, so one of my friends is getting an owl theme. I think I'm gonna do for Christmas or her birthday. They're both in the same month. And then a butterfly theme for the other. So once I saw this, I'm like, oh my gosh, I definitely wanna add that to the owls. There's a few other things that I wanna grab and then I'll already be done. I have a few people already done for this year. I start early. I'm not doing it all in 1 month. So there is the handcrafted recycled owl themed bookmark, again valued for $22. So that is everything that I chose for my box builder. We have the bookmark with that really, really beautiful owl on there. We have the spoon and the cutting board. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything that I chose to create my box for March 2025. What did you think of all of the items that they had to choose from? What did you think of the ones that I chose? What would you have chose? Definitely let me know down below. I would love to hear from you guys. They also have, once you do your 3 selections, they have another thing where you can do add-ons at a cheaper rate. So if you see some things that you want to add to your box at that discounted rate, you can add them, or you can just simply just say that's it and don't pay any extra and you just get your 3 items. So you do have that as an option. If you would like to add things to your box, you can do that as well. So if you would like a little bit more information about this box and about the pricing and all of that, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you 20% off their shop. So they have the artisan shop on their website. You can shop anytime. If you are an actual subscriber, your perk is getting 20% off their shop all the time. But if you don't want to go straight to a subscription, but you want to purchase a few things, you can then shop their shop, getting that 20% off using my code SheCrafty. So if you want to do a 3-month subscription, that's the lowest they do. They don't do 1 month at a time. They do 3 months at a time. So the 3-month subscription will be $40 per box. If you want to save some money and do a 6-month subscription, it'll bring it down to $37. And if you go to a full 12-month subscription, it'll bring your box price down to only $35 per box. What an amazing deal. They have so many amazing products. Again, they have their shop. You can shop, you can choose your products, pause, you can do all kinds of things. So just definitely check them out if you would like down below, and SheCrafty will get you that 20% off their artisan shop if you do not want to become a member just yet. So again, everything will be down below for you. If you'd like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. That simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.